It seems the world is in perfect balance now. A stark contrast to the situation in the year 2024. Do you remember? The world found itself in turmoil, facing a severe energy crisis, critical labor shortages, and an urgent need for sustainable practices to meet volatile consumer demands. Global logistics and production managers like Sarah faced their greatest challenge yet. A darker force, feeding off the chaos. Obscurus, born from the crisis of our times, spread his gray smoke across our operations. The fog of confusion created widespread inefficiencies and disrupted automation. Essential vehicles, tools, assets, and workers hidden from sight. For managers like Sarah, each tick of the clock wasn't just another second passed. Time and money, the twin pillars of any business, were slipping through our fingers like sand. This battle, steeped in shadows, demands more than a lone warrior. We need hardware hero, the master of locating technologies and sensors. Software saber, the heroine of location-aware applications. And Integrator Ice, the wizard of location tech integrations. It calls for unity, for the combined strength of allies who, like me, are empowered by the DeepHub. By uniting our individual powers, we unleash the full force of location data and broke Obscurus's shadowy grip. Join me and my crew to bring full transparency and operational efficiency to the world.